So I have a ball being thrown straight up, which means that my theta is 90 degrees, initial speed of 40, so my V naught is 40, and a height of 3 feet, so my initial height is 5 feet, so my initial height is 5. So the first thing I ask is I need parametric equations. So x equals V naught cosine theta t, which is just 0, because if it's going straight up and down, it's not moving anywhere in the x direction. And y equals, we're working in feet, so it's going to be negative 16t squared plus V naught sine 90 degrees t plus my initial height 5, and that becomes negative 16t squared. 90 is 1, so plus V naught t plus 5. Oh, sorry, V naught is 40. Forgot to plug it in. So it's negative 16t squared plus 40t plus 5. Now I want to know how long the ball was in the air. So I want to know, when does it hit the ground again? And remember, this is a parabola, so it's going to look something like this. So I want to know the time where y is 0. So I want to know when y is 0, I have to find my intercepts. I know one intercept, I don't care about the negative intercept, I need to know the positive intercept. So this is this equation lends itself to using the quadratic formula. So I have negative 40, negative b, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. And that's going to equal negative 40 plus or minus, if I add this up and find the square root, it's approximately 43.8 all over negative 32. So I look at this, and if I use the plus sign, this will be positive, this will be negative, and I don't want that. So I'm going to use it when it's negative. So that's I'm going to use the one that's negative 40 minus 43.8 over negative 32, because that'll end up being a positive number, and I get it's going to be up for 2.62 seconds. Now I want to know, when is it at its maximum height? So this is back when you study quadratic equations, and the maximum height is at its vertex. And the vertex is at negative b over 2a. So I'm going to use negative b, negative 40, over 2a, and that gives me 1.25 seconds. So that's when it's at its maximum height, and if I want to know what it is, I have to plug it in. So I have negative 16 times 1.25 squared plus 40 times 1.25 plus 5, and that gives me a height of approximately 30 feet.